There, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to show you all how I organize my Amazon affiliate storefront. If you are interested in learning more about Amazon affiliates, I'll try to find the link and link it down below, or feel free to Google Amazon affiliate. When I became a part of the Amazon affiliate opportunity, I applied online. They had an online application process. I put in my information and I was approved, I think like within 24 or 48 hours. And ever since then, I have taken advantage of using my Amazon storefront. It really helps me when I'm creating different content, even on YouTube. And let's say that I'm sponsoring a product, or let's say that I'm wearing a certain product, or whatever the case may be, or talking about a product, I can link that product right to my Amazon storefront, and I can earn commission based on who goes to my Amazon storefront and makes purchases on those items. So if you are interested in signing up for the Amazon storefront opportunity to earn commission, be sure to check that out. But like I mentioned, I'm going to be showing you all how I organize my Amazon affiliate storefront. So if you're interested, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into it. So as you can see, I have 4 different categories showed right now on the screen. Initially, I had just one. And the first list that I had, or first group that I had, is I had like 30 something items in it, or 20 something items in it. And I had just everything thrown in there. It was under like my Amazon faves and something else, but primarily my Amazon faves. And I just threw everything in there. And it was becoming challenging for people to find certain products, because people would reach out via email and say, hey, I'm looking for this product that was in such and such video. And when I go to your Amazon affiliate, there's just a lot of different options, like which one is it? So I decided to become more organized and have some things, have some things in one spot and some, other things in other spots. So if you want to create different lists, this is how you do it. You go ahead and you click on idea list. You create a title for your idea list. You can also write a description about what the idea list is about, and then you have to add at least 2 products. You can choose to add products from like your prior Amazon shopping history, or you can add products from another list that you have created, or you can search for different products and add them to the list as well. So like I mentioned a moment ago, when I got an email, I didn't get a lot of emails, but I got enough to make me want to actually go and change my Amazon storefront around. Some people would say that they were confused. Is this the right list or the right section that they're in? And the products that they were looking for would be in that section, but I could see why they could overlook it, because I had so much stuff just thrown in there. And so organizing really has helped me become a better Amazon affiliate. So I organized my list I organize my products into different lists. So like right now, this is going to be my electronics list. I also have an as seen on YouTube list. So that's for like any of the products that I talked about or sponsored on YouTube. They're going to be there. And then I also have my business faves there as well, because I talk a lot about my business fave products on YouTube. So I just kept those combined. I also have a great read section. I recently started reading, so I have the books that I have finished reading, and they're available on Amazon. So I have that. I also have some baby items. I did a vlog of my entire pregnancy, or update on my pregnancy. I updated you all each week, and I have like an entire pregnancy playlist. And in some of my videos, I share different items that I did purchase for my baby. So I have those in the baby section. But I'm just showing you all step by step on how I create different lists. And it's very simple. Now, if you don't know how to do this and you're not that tech savvy, rest assured, just, go back and rewind the video. It's not complicated at all, because I'm not the most tech savvy person either. This is something that I did directly through my phone. I just went to my Amazon. I went to Amazon affiliates, and then I signed in, and I clicked on manage my storefront, and I was able to do all of this right there. You can also share your different lists. I'm just showing you all some of the things that I have in my as seen on YouTube and biz faves list on Amazon. Another thing that really helped me was to go back and make sure that all of the links actually worked. If you have had an Amazon storefront for some time, even if you haven't, there's a chance that some of the links may not work, because there are some Amazon store owners that are selling products that change stores, or that they go out of business, or some of the products are sold out. So you want to make sure that you're staying on top of that as much as you can, because the last thing that you want to happen is you promote your storefront, you send people to your Amazon storefront to purchase a product, and then the link doesn't work. So they get there and they see the picture, but then they click on it and it doesn't take them any place. So be sure to check periodically to make sure that the links are still working. I wish there was a feature where if the links weren't working, or if the product wasn't available, it would kind of just like remove itself from your Amazon storefront, where anyone browsing your Amazon storefront can't see, like they can't see what's not available, but you can, so that you can go ahead and edit it. I wish it was a feature like that. Who knows, maybe in the future. But for now, you do want to go and check to make sure that all of your links are working. You want to make sure that it's very seamless and easy for people to go to your Amazon list and find what they're looking for, because people can also choose to just go to Amazon.com and search, and if they have an easier time doing that than going through your affiliate link through your Amazon store, then a lot of people are just going to do that because it makes more sense. So just showing you what some of the lists look like. And you can also send different products from your list, like via text message. You can send it via, like you can share the link via social media. So there's a couple different ways that you can get the product link out. Also, you have an option to change the picture that you have for your storefront. You can also change the backdrop picture, which I just have a green design for mine, but you can change that too by just going and clicking on manage your storefront, clicking on edit, and then uploading whatever picture you want there to be. You can also add your social media handles, and you can change those around as they change if they do, like your Facebook handle, your Twitter, your YouTube. So pretty much this is what I wanted to show you all. I wanted to show you all how you can organize your list, and that's how you do it. You pretty much just go to your Amazon storefront, you click manage it, and then you can click on idea list, and you can edit whatever you have in the list. So you can remove products, you can add different products, you can move the order of the products as well. I believe to move the order of the products around, you do need to be on a desktop computer. So for example, if I just got done talking about edge control, for an example, and when someone goes to let's say I had a list titled hair products. If they don't see that initial edge control, they see like a brush, and I'm telling them to go to my Amazon affiliate store, I could go into my Amazon affiliates and make the edge control the first option, so they can see it right there, right then and there. I do want to say during this portion of the video, my internet got really shaky, so it's loading a lot slower. But just wanted to show you all again what I've already showed you, and how the list looks. So that's pretty much it for my video. If you have any questions, you can feel free to leave them down below. Oh, before I go, I want to let you know too, you can post additional pictures and videos too. So let's say that you want to record yourself with one of the products, or post a picture of yourself with one of the products, you can do that as well. I think this is a really cool option that Amazon provides to be able to get money from literally sharing what you want to share. And it makes perfect sense. Like I said before, if you're recording a video about a product, or if you're telling people on social media about a product, a lot of people shop on Amazon. So if your link is easily accessible, and if the lists are organized, why wouldn't someone click on the link and go ahead and purchase through your affiliate? And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can definitely earn commission from doing that. So here's another look at my list. It also shows the prices and how long it's going to take for shipping, and just different things like that. But again, I want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions that I did not go over in this video, please leave them down below, and I'll try my best to answer them. I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.